Hello everyone, welcome to our final video of the year, and what a year it's been. I've had so much fun creating videos with the Sunnybank Trust every week, and I'm loving seeing all of your creativity. This week's theme is reindeer. Let's get started. For this activity you will need a red pom-pom and some festive ribbon. You will also need 2 wiggly eyes and 2 brown pipe cleaners, some scissors and some liquid glue, some toilet roll cardboard and an optional black pen. Take out your toilet roll cardboard and your scissors. We're going to cut a small slit on the left and the right hand side. Take out one of your brown pipe cleaners. We're going to bend this into a W shape. Now take your next pipe cleaner and bend this into a W shape too. Pick up one of your W shapes. We're going to squash both sides together and twist at the bottom, like so. Keep twisting until you get a couple of centimetres to the top. Now let's do the same to the next one. Take one of your pipe cleaner shapes and slot it into the left slit. Take your other one and put that into the right hand slit. This will create your 2 antlers. Now we have our antlers, it's time to glue on our 2 wiggly eyes to the face. Just below your eyes in the middle of the face, you can add your red pom-pom nose. If you want to, now would be a good time to draw on a smile with your black pen. Take out your ribbon and wrap it round your reindeer head like a scarf. Cut off the amount you need and add glue. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a reindeer this week. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft. Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you in the new year for some more crafts.